Hello, today we're going to be working with our Ridge keypad and showing you some basic programming. The first thing we're going to do is add an access code to the device. We're going to be utilizing our default master code, which is 1251. We're going to enter the submode for adding a code, which is submode 1. And then we're going to add the code that we want to use. For this example, we'll be using 1414. I've got positive confirmation on all my entries, so I'm going to go ahead and hit pound to exit out of programming mode, and then we'll test that code out. All set. Next, we're going to go ahead and add a latch code. We're going to start off by using our default master code, which is going to be 1251. Then we're going to enter the submode for adding that hold open or latch code, which is submode 5. Then we're going to select the channel that we want to use, which is going to be channel A. So we'll hit 1. And then we'll add the code that we want, which in this example will be 2525. Got positive confirmation on everything, so we'll go ahead and hit pound to exit, and then we'll test that latch code out. All set. Next on our Ridge keypad, we're going to show you how to change the default master code, which is 1251. So first, we'll start off by entering that default master code. And then we're going to enter submode 3, which is to change the master code. In this instance, we're going to change the master code to 3636. And we'll hit pound to go ahead and confirm the completion of that change. We'll go ahead and test the previous master code to show that it no longer works. That master code is no longer good. So to enter programming now, we have to use 3636. And that is now set as the new master code. Next, we're going to be showing you how to delete an access code from your Ridge keypad. Again, for this example, we'll be using the default master code, which is 1251. Then we're going to enter submode 2, which is for deleting a code. And we'll delete the code 1414. Got positive confirmation. We'll go ahead and hit pound to exit programming mode. And now 1414 is deleted. We'll go ahead and test that to show. Bad tone, which means the code is no longer good. You're all set. Next on our Ridge keypad, we're going to show you how to delete all the codes out of the keypad. Again, we're going to be using our default master code, which is 1251. Then we're going to enter submode 0. After entering submode 0, we'll enter the master code again to start the deletion. You'll hear the keypad beep as it deletes all the codes, and you'll get a positive confirmation once complete. There we go. We'll go ahead and hit pound to exit programming mode, and now all codes are deleted. Next, we're going to show you how to change the relay output time on your Ridge keypad. You may want to utilize this for usage with a mag lock, or maybe you just want the relay to fire a little longer than the default 1 second. So we're going to start off by using our default master code, which is 1251. Then we're going to enter submode 6, which is for relay output time. Then we're going to select the channel that we want to use, which is typically going to be channel A. So we'll select 1. And then we can go ahead and enter the number of seconds that we want the relay to fire, any 4-digit number. So in this case, I'm going to put it for 5 seconds. So I'm going to enter 0005. Now we'll enter pound to exit out of programming mode. And now when a code is used on channel A, the relay will fire for 5 seconds. You're all set. Next, we're going to show you how to set a unique keypad ID on your Ridge keypad. This is useful if you have multiple ridges in the area, or you want to operate multiple gates or have multiple transceivers in the area. The unique keypad ID allows you to pair the keypad and allow it to only communicate with one transceiver. So we're going to start off by using our default master code, which is 1251. Then we're going to go ahead and enter 9, then 5, and then we'll pick a 4-digit code that we want to set as the unique ID. In this instance, I'm going to use 8888 and pound. We've exited out of programming mode. Once you set that unique keypad ID, you will want to repair your keypad to the transceiver, and that should solve any kind of issues you had with it communicating with other devices. You're all set.